patron saint through a religious guild was the key to success. At the monastery, the calligraphy on the Guild of St. Benedict register is complete. Next, a painter illuminates the text. As with all trades of the day, it wasn't only creative skills that were required, but also craft skills to make the tools for the job. Artist Mark Goodman begins by making a brush from a feather.
A simple way to get a point on it is just to cut it through just over halfway. We've now got a point on our feather. We can cut the feather off. We can then make a tube, and then we can push the feather through the tube. And as you see, there we have a brush. Then the only last bit that you've got to worry about is your stick, which of course you can get anywhere. And there we have it, a paintbrush.
To paint these very fine details, the Tudor artist had an ingenious solution.
Just a glass globe full of water. If it's not full of water, nothing happens with it really. As you can see there, the trick is filling it with water. As soon as you fill it with water, then it becomes a large magnifying lens. This one's around about 16 times magnification.
Illumination was a complex and expensive process, so reserved only for special books and documents like this register.